All right, so today, brand new spot. I don't even know how I found this place. Basically, I was just looking for places that didn't have a gate, somewhere where we can go fly, lots of lines, lots of gaps. Trees even are okay, but this spot has honestly over-delivered everything and all of my expectations. It's pretty damn cool. It's pretty damn cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this flight video because this one is just super flowy and just a lot of oh shit moments. So, all right, let's fly.
I've been searching for an answer, but I ain't found one. I've been known to tear shit up and go off like a gun. I've been drinking way too much, but now I think I'm done. Fuck that shit, let's start a riot. Let's start a riot. Tear shit up, fuck peace and quiet. Fuck that shit, let's start a riot. Tear shit up, fuck peace and quiet. I gotta get that feeling. Gotta get higher than the 20-foot ceiling. Just out of rehab, proper relapse. Had to do 3 dabs just so I could relax. Walk in the room and I check for bitches. Check my 44, check my ammunition. Got all my homies here and that's fucking bitchin'. We got more pots than your fucking kitchen. Cooking shit up with the heat up high, with your middle fingers up like the cops drove by. No motherfucker here is drunker than I. And if we get drunk enough, we can set it on fire like fuck it. I don't wanna go down, I wanna get fucked up right about now. Gonna tear shit up, I don't wanna fight it. Who the fuck here wants to start a riot? I've been searching for an answer, but I ain't found one. I've been known to tear shit up and go off like a gun. I've been drinking way too much, but now I think I'm done. Fuck that shit, let's start a riot. Let's start a riot. Tear shit up, fuck peace and quiet. Fuck that shit, let's start a riot. Tear shit up, fuck peace and quiet. Roll up to the party in my grandma's Chrysler. Jump into your circle cause I'm dying to cipher. The older I get, I'm like, why not get finer? And I can tell your girl wants Charlie inside her. I'm a ride or dyer with that eye of the tiger. Cornrows banging out the side of my visor. I'm so damn tight, they should call me the shyster. Hitting button but wiser, shit, I couldn't get higher. You done turned me into the small soul Charlie. Peeling out on a Harley at a high school party. Got a frame like Bane, call me Young Tom Hardy. I'm the fucker to blame for the young dead army. Got the fire tonight, cause my ass got paid. Now I'm high and tight like my flat top fade. Mixing Molly and Xanax and Tanqueray. And I'm fucking bad bitches like every single day. I've been searching for an answer, but I ain't found one. I've been known to tear shit up and go off like a gun. I've been drinking way too much, but now I think I'm done. Fuck that shit, let's start a riot. Let's start a riot. Tear shit up, fuck peace and quiet. Fuck that shit, let's start a riot. Tear shit up, fuck peace and quiet. Tear it up, burn it down. Pour them drinks up until we drown. Go all night and every day. And when you walk into the party, make sure you say, fuck that shit, let's start a riot. Let's start a riot. Tear shit up, fuck peace and quiet. Fuck that shit, let's start a riot. Tear shit up, fuck peace and quiet.
Oh, that song just gets me right. Oh, I think I finally fixed my left turn. But I know somebody's gonna be like, that song was really inappropriate. My son was watching this. And to that I say, why the fuck would you let your kids watch this channel? This channel is for everybody else, and if you don't like it, fuck you. Stay original, you degenerates. Forgot to shut the camera off.